Hey guys, so I'm extremely petrified from using needles, but unfortunately I had an ankle surgery and I have no other choice just to use a syringe every 24 hours, every time at 6 o'clock. You gotta be precise. Now this is the first time I'm doing this, and yeah, this is a disinfectant solution. I'm just gonna spray the area where I'm gonna place the syringe. I'm gonna wipe it. And what you do is pinch an area and take the injection, pop off the cap on the end. Wait, let me do that first actually. Why is it? Okay. Ooh, there's a drop. If there's a drop, they say just tap the syringe so the drop goes off. And there, I hold it up and I place the needle in. Straight. Once it's in, I'm gonna push on the top slowly till it goes in the end, and then I'm gonna pull out just like that, and that's it. I did it. It wasn't actually that bad, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. Stay strong. Bless you all, and I hope you all recover fast.